Hello students, how are you doing? I hope you all are doing well at home. Dear students, kindly take out Standard 6 Social Science, Part 3 Civics, Chapter 1 Diversity. Dear students, let's continue the chapter. Ladakh, a case study. Ladakh is a part of Jammu and Kashmir in North India. It consists of two districts, Leh and Kargil. It is surrounded by two mountain ranges, the Karakoram in the north and the Great Himalaya in the south, and by two parallel chains, the Ladakh Range and the Jaskar Range. Ladakh is a land of high passes, a resting point for travelers on the ancient trade routes to Central Asia and beyond. Stories based on the life of the Buddha are the main themes of the traditional theatre of Ladakh. It is an essential part of the Ladakhi heritage. Students, see, this is the picture of Ladakh. Many villages have a gompa or monastery, a complex of temples and prayer halls. Gompas are an important part of the lives of the people. These gompas serve as places of worship, meditation, and as schools. Some of the most famous fairs and festivals are celebrated around these gompas. Losar is celebrated as their new year. Se Shrupla is celebrated to mark the bringing home of the harvest. Hemis Chesu is the biggest summer festival held in Ladakh. This festival symbolizes the victory of right over wrong, good over evil. Many of the annual festivals of the Gompas take place in winter. These festivals take the form of dance dramas. Lamas dressed in colorful robes wearing masks perform here. Cham, the sacred masked dance, is performed on these occasions by monks dressed in brocade robes and masks. Long horns are blown, accompanied by cymbals. People come from near and far to see these events. Archery is an ancient sport of Ladakh. In Leh and its surrounding villages, archery festivals are held during summer. Polo, a game played here, differs in many aspects from the international game of polo. Traditionally, almost every major village had a polo ground. Ladakh has very limited sources of water. Items of daily use such as cooking pots and bowls, as well as agricultural implements, are supplied by local blacksmiths. Since products made from fresh milk are important and necessary, each family owns some goats, cows, and yak cow. Sheep are important in Ladakh because they produce pashmina wool. This wool is sold to traders from Kashmir. Ladakh is home to some rare animals. These include the mountain goat, the snow leopard, bronze dog, wild yak, kyang, wild horse, nyan, large horned sheep, musk deer, and the Tibetan antelope. Unity in diversity. It is often called that there is unity in diversity. Our diversity has always been recognized as a source of students See, this is India, Unity in Diversity picture. Dear students, please turn the page. Its strength. When Britishers came to India, they thought they could continue to rule here by adopting divide and rule policy, because here was diversity in every sphere of life. But Indians showed them by working together in the freedom struggle that there was unity in spite of so many differences. Men and women, the people of any religion like Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Christian, and people of different economic background, poor or rich, had gathered to protest against the Britishers. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru says in his book Discovery of India that Indian unity is not something imposed from the outside, rather, it was something deeper and within its fold. The widest tolerance of belief and custom was practiced, and every variety acknowledged and even encouraged. It was Nehru who coined the phrase unity in diversity to describe the country. India's national anthem, composed by Rabindranath Tagore, is another expression of our unity. It emphasizes the oneness of this vast country and glorify our motherland. Okay students, thank you.